This is my journal. I broke down crying, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Hey guys, so I am going to be showing y'all how I journal to God. So this can be called a prayer journal, diary, or whatever you want to call it. But I'm gonna show y'all how I journal to God, and yeah. So first I put the date, which is April 14th, 2024. This is the day I'm recording, so April 14th. And then I just start off with saying, let me move the camera so you can get a better lighting. Okay. And then I start off with God, dear God, or whatever I am feeling that day. And I am just going to be right into Him. And this is just you could pray about something, you can ask Him for something, or you can tell Him how you're feeling about a certain situation that you've been going through. And yeah, so I am going to be saying, God, thank you so much for being there for me. And you can start off with just gratitude, basically just saying thank you to Him, or just saying thank you for something that He did for you, like if He got you a car, or if He got you a like new job or whatever. It could be something small or something big to you, something small or whatever. It could be anything. God, thank you so much for being there for me. That can be gratitude. And you could continue saying, I appreciate. Oh my gosh, I've been out of school for so long, and I be forgetting how to spell sometimes. I don't know. I appreciate you for everything you have done so far. For me. And then I go into a thing that has been bothering me, or I go into something, or I ask Him for something that I want, or I ask Him to forgive me for something. So let's see what I want to do next. So I have been struggling financially, so I am going to ask Him for something, and let's see how it goes. God, I know I have been unfaithful in the past. And I say this because I asked Him for a car one time and nothing was going my way. Everything seemed to get worse or whatever. And it's just like, and I just fell off, and I was like angry at God because it was like other stuff that was happening, and I just stopped writing to Him. So I know I have been unfaithful in the past. Oh my gosh, y'all. The other thing with writing, I be forgetting words like when I write too fast. I know I have been unfaithful in the past. I ask that you give me another chance to show you I trust in you. And I hope y'all can see. I really have been next week. And I hope y'all can see everything. So basically, I thanked him for being there for me and told him that I appreciate him for everything he have done. And then I was like, God, I know I have been unfaithful in the past, and I ask that you give me another chance to show you that I trust in you. And yeah, so then I was like, I really have been struggling financially, and I am starting cosmetology school next week. So we going into the phase where we're asking him for our prayer or desire or want or need. And it could be anything, like it could be anything like a bar soap, you know? And it don't have to be a journal. You can just write it on a piece of paper if you want. And so I am starting cosmetology next week. I will need at least $100. And y'all probably like, $100? I would be asking for $100,000. But it's like, it's not, it's you can ask for what you need too, like just not what you want, you know. I would need at least $100 for my monthly bus pass. Monthly bus pass. And basically I will need at least $100 for my monthly bus pass. And you can keep going with the desire, want, or need that you would like. I will, what else do I want to say? Let's see. I really want to go to school every day without worrying about how I will get there if I don't have money. I will get there if I don't have money. Okay. And then we be like, we can say, I ask that you help me with this need / desire in my life at this point of time. And after this, I just sign my name. Or you could say amen. I just sign my name and put hearts. And there we go. So I hope y'all can see. And then I do this. So I refer back to the Bible. I just started doing this and I put it on the next page right here. Okay, I'm gonna turn y'all to the other side. And I come right here. Ooh.
Dusty.
But I get my Bible, Holy Bible, in a memory of my dad. Yes, in the memory of my dad. I haven't really got into the Bible yet. That is why I am writing verses now, so I can get used to knowing where to go. So you can either go to the Bible or you could Google it. I had to Google it because I didn't see it in the back of here, you know, the pages where you have to get guidance. And I Googled it and it says something about Matthew 7:7. So Matthew 7:7. So chapter 7 verse 7. New Testament. Okay. 7:7. And it's right here. I hope you can see it. Oh my gosh. Let's try this. 7:7. There you go. So first I write the verse. First I write the verse up here. Matthew chapter 7 verse 7. Okay. And I get my Bible and I highlight what I want to write in the Bible. I mean, on my journal. And it says, ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open for you. Open to you. Let me say that. So, I hope y'all can see. Yes. So then I put the Bible verse in my journal. So I put ask and it will be given to you. And you can put a verse or a chapter that resonates with what you're writing about for that day. Or you can just write a chapter or verse that you are studying. So Bible studying. So you can get used to reading the Bible or reading what's in the Bible. Let me say that. And then I write, this is not all I write, so let's try again. Let's go to the next part. And I write, meaning to me. So this means I want to write the meaning of this verse to me. So what do it means to me? Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. So the meaning to me is that if I ask God for something, it will be answered, basically. If I have faith and trust that it will happen, it will happen. And it will be from God. Okay. So, I hope y'all seen that. And this is what my journal looks like. Okay, let me zoom out. And this is what it looks like. And I did this today also. I was writing about something or someone. I broke down crying, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. But after I write this part, I always reread it to myself. If I go to this first, then I go back and reread it. So I just said, God, thank you so much. Thank you. So, I forgot so. But I be telling y'all, I be forgetting the words. But God, thank you so much for being there for me. I appreciate you for everything you have done for me so far. God, I know I have been unfaithful in the past. I ask that you give me another chance to show you I trust in you. I really have been struggling financially, and I am starting cosmetology school next week. I will need at least $100 for my monthly pass. I really want to go to school every day without worrying. See, I be forgetting words, y'all. Without worrying about how I will get there if I don't have money. I ask that you help me with need/desire, with my need/desire in my life at this point in time. So if you forget words, God know what you're saying. So it's not like he know what you're saying. But yes, that's what I did, and I will reread this part, mostly this part. Without. Okay, and I just added the words in there. So, but y'all, this is my journal. This is my journal, and I hope that y'all love this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.